everybody, welcome back. Today we're diving into a topic that, well, is becoming increasingly important for home sellers, and that's energy efficiency. How does your home's energy efficiency affect its sales? What do you say we explore this together and look at the impacts and benefits of this great topic right after this? First, let's talk about buyer appeal. Many buyers today prioritize energy efficiency because it leads to lower utility bills and reduces the environmental footprint. Homes with energy efficient features often attract more interest and, in some cases, sell faster. Think about it. Who wouldn't want to save more money on their energy bills while also doing their part to help the environment? Now let's talk about the impact on sales price. Energy efficient homes can command higher prices. Buyers are often willing to pay a little bit more for a home that will save them money in the long run. So investing in energy efficiency isn't just a good idea for the planet, it can also be pretty good for that old billfold. As markets shift and things become more neutral or even a little bit more competitive, energy efficient features can set your home apart from the rest. This can be a key selling point in marketing your home. When buyers are comparing similar properties, energy efficient upgrades can make your home stand out just that little bit extra. Now, making your home more energy efficient can also improve the comfort. Let's think about this. Energy efficient homes tend to have better insulation, better windows, upgraded HVAC systems, and this can lead to a much more comfortable environment. This improved comfort can be highly appealing to potential buyers who are looking for a home that feels good to live in year-round. And even if you don't sell, guess what? Making your home more comfortable is not a bad deal, right? Now you might be sitting there wondering if you should invest in energy-efficient upgrades before selling. And the answer is, well, it depends. So let's break it down. Focus on upgrades that are relatively inexpensive but can make a noticeable difference, such as adding some insulation. Sealing windows and doors can take you a long ways. Installing programmable thermostats, or ones that you can even do right from your phone, that's a pretty good deal. And replacing those old lights with LED bulbs. These small changes, believe it or not, can have a significant impact on your home's energy efficiency without really breaking the bank. Now let's look at some major upgrades like replacing an old HVAC system or installing solar panels, which in some cases might add value. These should be considered carefully, and you have to factor in your budget. What you really want to see is what is the return on investment going to be. It's essential to evaluate whether the cost of these major upgrades will be offset by the increase in your home sale price. And you can do that by talking to someone like me, right? Now you've probably got things with your electric or utility bills talking about energy audits, and consider getting an energy audit by a professional because this can help you identify the most effective upgrades for your home. This can also help you prioritize improvements that will have the most significant impact. An energy audit provides a clear roadmap of where your home can benefit from the upgrades the most. You also want to look around and see what's happening in your local market. In some markets, high energy efficient homes are in high demand, making upgrades, in fact, a smart choice. Now, you have all these upgrades, how do you market it? Well, we want to showcase all these great energy features to potential buyers. Here are some strategies that can, well, help make those things shine. Include information about the energy efficient upgrades in your listing description. Right? Make sure your agent's doing that. Make sure the brochures and the online marketing materials really emphasize that. Highlight the benefits such as cost savings and environmental impacts. Make sure potential buyers know exactly how your home stands out in terms of energy efficiency. If your home has any energy certifications such as Energy Star or LEED, prominently display these in your marketing materials and make sure people know about them. Clarifications and credibility appeal to those buyers, and it helps show that your home has met the high standards for energy efficiency. Here's a really good technique we don't see all the time, and that's providing recent utility bills to demonstrate the cost savings from energy efficient upgrades. This can be a compelling piece of evidence for a potential buyer, showing them the real financial benefits of your home. By focusing on some of these energy efficient upgrades, and if you communicate them properly to potential buyers, well, this can lead to a quicker sale and a higher sale price. And again, maybe you're just looking to do these upgrades to your house just to make it a little bit more comfortable and efficient for you. Always a great idea, and it might pay some dividends down the road. If you have any great suggestions of how to make your home a little bit more energy efficient or things you've done, use the comments below to do just that. Tell me what it is. Tell me what you did, and let's get a discussion going. If you found this video helpful, well, you know what to do. Give it the old thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. As always, I'm here to help you in any way I can with your real estate needs. I'll be back next week with more great tips. So until then, be kind to one another.